Are you looking for the best reciprocating saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best reciprocating saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Recipro Saw Kit. Most reciprocating saws vibrate, such that they leave your hand and arm tingling and numb after just a few cuts. But Makita's 18V LXT is an exception. Of all the saws we tested, it produced the least amount of vibration, cutting smoothly through wood, metal, and PVC. With its 18-volt brushless motor, 1 1/4 inch stroker length, and 2800 SPM speed, it isn't short on power either. We cut through a 24 in about 8 seconds, putting it on par with some of the fastest reciprocating saws we tested. Cutting through wood with a screw in it was a tick slower, and it struggled a bit with our metal stud, but overall, it was a high performer. Makita's tools are known for their ergonomic designs, and this reciprocating saw demonstrates why that is. This saw felt well balanced in our hands, and we appreciated the overmolded handle, which made it easy to grip, and the ample rubberized covering that allowed us to get a firm hold on the saw regardless of what angle we chose to cut from. We like that Makita includes 2 large capacity 5Ah batteries and a rapid charger, which means you'll be able to cut almost indefinitely by rotating the batteries. However, this reciprocating saw is among the priciest. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch Vibration Control D Handle Reciprocating Saw. Bosch sets itself apart from other cordless tools by fitting this one with a large 14-amp motor, dampening technology that cuts vibration significantly, and smooth operation upon startup. We loved the design of the Bosch during testing. The slow start of the blade eliminates the jerkiness you get with other reciprocating saws that seem to go from 0 to 100 in a split second. What truly shines here is the vibration control and raw power of the Bosch. It cut through our test 24 in just 10 seconds, by far the fastest of the corded models we tested. This is a testament not just to its larger motor, but also the vibration dampening, which was noticeable and made it significantly easier to prevent the blade from hopping around as we cut. That vibration dampening also helped when we cut through metal. While we loved the power and control of the Bosch, we weren't thrilled with the weight. Bosch lists its weight at 8.7 pounds, but our scale registered nearly a pound more than that, making it heavier than any of the saws we tested. We got a workout using this saw. Still, if you want raw power without the limitations or price tag that come with a cordless model, this is the best corded reciprocating saw for the job. The 3rd product on our list is the Porter Cable PCC 670B Tigersaw. When you've got a job that requires a reciprocating saw, you won't find another tool that can do what it does. However, for the average person, the need for a reciprocating saw doesn't often arise, and $300 plus for a tool you use once or twice a year might feel excessive. Fortunately, the affordable Porter Cable 20V Max variable speed reciprocating saw has everything the occasional use homeowner needs in a saw, and it is our budget-friendly pick of the litter. This Porter Cable 20V Max is light and portable, comfortable in 2 hands, but easily wieldable with one. It is a bit slower in cutting than some of the higher-end saws, but it cuts smoothly and cleanly with a tighter turning radius than most of the other saws we tested. It has no bells and whistles, but on a tool built primarily for demolition, bells and whistles aren't often needed. Perhaps most impressive was its battery life. We tested with a 4Ah battery, and as far as cuts per Ah go, the Porter Cable was actually the top performer, and came in 2nd overall in terms of cuts completed. With a combination of price, performance, and battery capacity, this little saw is a solid choice for the budget-conscious, occasional use homeowner. Second on our list is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall Reciprocating Saw Kit. There's the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall Reciprocating Saw, and then there's everyone else. That's truly what it felt like after testing this model, the premium tool brand's top-of-the-line reciprocating saw. This saw dominated our testing. Not only did it produce fantastic power, but it felt smoother than most without the vibration we experienced with other reciprocating saws. It took just 7 seconds to cut clean through a 24, and about a second more than that with deck screws embedded into it. It also made quick work of our 2-inch plastic pipe, cutting through it in just 4 seconds, and it was the only saw we tested to cut through our metal stud without a struggle. In short, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall is in another league when it comes to reciprocating saws. Yes, it's pricey, but it's not that much steeper than the reciprocating saws we tested from other top-tier cordless tool manufacturers, especially since Milwaukee sweetens the deal by including 2 large-capacity 5-amp-hour AA batteries. Other notable features include a retractable hook, which makes storing the M18 Sawzall easier, and a charger that will also take Milwaukee's smaller 12-volt batteries, which is a great feature if you're already invested in the Milwaukee family of cordless tools. If you're going to spend on a cordless reciprocating saw, this is our favorite, hands down. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt 12-amp reciprocating saw. DeWalt's corded reciprocating saw may not match the performance of the more powerful 15-amp corded reciprocating saws or cordless models out there, but it's certainly up to the task for most home applications. With its 1-inch stroke length and max 2900 SPM, it cut through our test 24 in about 18 seconds. Plus, it's less than half the cost of most cordless models and boasts DeWalt's exceptional build quality. This model also features a novel blade design that allows you to install the blade vertically or horizontally, making it easy to shift from cutting upwards, downwards, and side to side. The large guard also helped to steady the blade as we were cutting through various materials. And with this vibration damping, we were able to make fairly precise cuts. With a cost of a little over $100, it's a great value from a brand that's considered one of the best power tool companies in the business. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.